One of the things you learn in the course of doing a series of mediations is that the process ideas that you produce are often better than the ideas that the parties have, because that's your job. But as far as the meat of the dispute is concerned, the substance of the dispute, where the money's going to go, how you're going to find out where the money's going to go, those are the parties' exquisite and complete parish. They're in charge. They know what the drivers are on each side, and if you get too involved in shouldering the burden for them, they may make the wrong deal, or you'll be barking up the wrong tree and wasting your time. So you're right to identify it as a series of choices that the mediator has to make, but as soon as you're getting towards the situation in which you've figured out very cleverly what the deal is that they really ought to do, you're wrong, you've gone wrong, you've strayed.